okay. It's not. Hey, are you okay?
And you're tapping your enemy.
If you have some issues in the world, then this is the time for you to do that.
Bring it out.
Okay, so, hey, are you okay? So that is checking for responsiveness. Now, next. If I'll tell you no response, what are you going to do? What are you going to say? Yes.
Hey, help.
Yeah. Okay. Or if there's any bystander,
You tell them, hey, call 911.
that's, hey, are you okay? I need help in this classroom. Or, hey, you, call for help and give me an AED. So it's like that. So you shout for help. You don't say, I need help. No, don't do like that. Just, I need help. Not like that, huh? Okay. Now, the third one. You open the airway, head tilt, chin lift. What if there's cervical injury? What are you going to use? Uy, you heard that. You use the jaw thrust. Here. You cannot do it by your, unless if the patient is responsive, because it's very difficult. You do the jaw thrust, okay? Because you cannot head tilt. Okay, so you need to jaw thrust. On your mandibular area, push. And then it's difficult. And the mannequin cannot do that. So you do the jaw thrust. If there is any questions, if a cervical injury is there or neck injury, what are you going to use? What are you going to use? Jaw thrust, not head tilt, chin lift. Okay. So let's say the patient is just normal. So
I understood that one.
sorry.
Where do you move it?
It will be very painful if you are alive. Sorry.
Yeah, do it like this.
Here. So it will
So
open
when you press here, the jaw opens automatically.
if it is unconscious. But for us, of course, it's not because it's okay. Because you see, Joss is doing that. So if there's any questions for a neck injury, how would you do the opening of the airway? It's jaw thrust. Okay. But for an ordinary, it's just head tilt, chin lift.
Head chin lift.
So next,
Someone is at that door.
the okay. Check for breathing. While opening the airway, checking the breathing. 1, 2, 3. What are you checking? If you have
The
this,
pulse.
The pulse,
the pulse,
then
The pulse breathing
you will check if there is a rise and fall.
of the
If
chest.
there is breathing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Okay.
10. No breathing, no pulse. Okay, we'll go to the next. Previously, no breathing, no pulse, 2 rescue breath. But now, since CAD applies, so you won't do any breathing. You continue with
Compression.
CPR.
Yeah,
Okay?
compression.
So 30 compressions, 2 ventilations. 2 rescue breath after 30 compressions. So this is the steps